Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. GBP USD US dollar weakness favors the bulls to keep 1.3100 marked. ntvforex.com news ID 8C1FF6 2 minutes ago by Anil Panchal. GBP USD rises for the third day despite recent pullback from 1.3110. Brexit talks to resume Tuesday, UK's negotiator David Frost eyes deal in September. British trade diplomat Liz Truss attacks the EU and the US before the talks, targets deal with Japan during this month. US-China tussle pushed back the trade deal review, call to resume Congress gains market attention amid a light calendar. GBP USD eases to 1.3098, up 0.10% on a day, while heading into the London Open on Monday. The cable cheers the US dollar's fourth day of declines ahead of the key Brexit talks, starting from tomorrow. Even so, the US New York Empire State Manufacturing Index and risk catalysts can offer intermediate move, which in turn becomes worth watching. Earlier during the day, UK's Secretary of State for International Trade NBSP Liz Truss crossed wires via the Telegraph while citing readiness to safeguard the Scotch whisky from the US. The diplomat also criticised the European Union (EU) while failing to stand up to the Scottish interest. What's surprising was the British policymaker's unfriendly take on the US and signals for the in-principle trade agreement with Japan by the current month's end. Elsewhere, the UK's Brexit negotiator David Frost is targeting a September trade deal after the recent chatter concerning the same time. In doing so, the British diplomat will have to overcome the key barriers like fishing and the level playing field, which in turn becomes less likely and may disappoint the pound bulls. On the other hand, U.S. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi recalled the senators from their month-long vacation to protect the post offices. However, market speculations eye any clues concerning the coronavirus COVID-19 relief package that witnessed a deadlock before the policymakers announced recess on Thursday. It should also be noted that the failure of diplomats from Washington and Beijing to review the trade deal during this Saturday joins the strengthening of the virus wave 2.0 to challenge the risk-on mood. Against this backdrop, S&P 500 futures gain 0.30% but stocks in Asia-Pacific alternate gains with losses amid mixed clues. Further, the U.S. 10-year Treasury yields also drop 1.3 basis points BPS to slip below 0.70%. Moving on, a lack of any major data events from the UK will push the pair traders to observe the U.S. manufacturing data after Friday's industrial production keeps the hope of recovery into the world's largest economy. Forecasts suggest the private activity numbers to ease from 17.2 to 16.5 in July. Other than the data, risk catalysts like Brexit headlines, pandemic updates and trade news will also be the key as and when arrive. Technical analysis: although 10-day EMA restricts the pair's immediate downside around 1.3055, bulls will keep struggling unless crossing 1.3200. Additional important levels overview: today last price 1.3099, today daily change 13 pips, today daily change percent 0.10%, today daily open 1.3086, NBSP trends daily SMA 20 1.2971, daily SMA 50 1.2705, daily SMA 100 1.2544, daily SMA 200 1.2715, NBSP levels: previous daily high 1.3143, previous daily low 1.3048, previous weekly high 1.3143, previous weekly low 1.3006, previous monthly high 1.317, previous monthly low 1.236, daily Fibonacci 38.2%, 1.3107, daily Fibonacci 61.8%, 1.3084, daily pivot point S1 1.3042, daily pivot point S2 1.2998, daily pivot point S3 1.2948, daily pivot point R1 1.3136, daily pivot point R2 1.3187, daily pivot point R3 1.3231, NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, Text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me mt5.expert.advisors.